Hey, what's going on, everyone? Back today with another card opening video. I have before me one mega box of Panini Prizm 2020. This is the Target edition. Has 52 cards per box, and this one also has the exclusive pink Prizm parallels. So that's what I'm really hoping for. I'm hoping to pull one of the big rookies in either the Carolina Blue or the pink Prizm. You got your Bo Bichette, Jordan Alvarez, Luis Robert. So yeah, I'm hoping to get one of those guys. So wish me luck as always, and please hit that like and subscribe. So here we go. Let's get ripping. This is my fourth box, I think, of this particular product. So far, it's been okay. It hasn't been great, but it hasn't been bad either. I think in my first video, I ended up pulling Bo Bichette and a Jordan rookie from the Carolina Blue and Teal wave. So that was pretty cool. And empty, empty, what a waste. So here is the bonus pack. See that for a tad bit later. I'm going to try and get through these regular packs as quickly as I can. Panini products are sometimes difficult to open. There we go, that's one. Okay, two. I already see a Gavin Lux right there, so that'd be cool if it was a parallel. Three. Come on, almost got it. This one's being a little difficult. There we go. Tell me what you guys think of this. Have you guys opened any of it? I mean, it's really affordable, and you're guaranteed one autograph. So right around $40, I don't think you can go wrong. Plus, they're all chrome cards. There's no paper in here whatsoever. I mean, I know sometimes the lack of team names and logos turns people off, but these cards, are really sharp looking, and I think they deserve a little more love than what people are giving them. Almost there. Ugh. I mean, and to get a guaranteed auto for $40, I don't think you can really sneeze at that. Oh, come on. I gotta get it from here. Okay. I mean, I would never tell anyone how to spend their money, but if you're looking for a fun little rip, I think this is it. Ugh. Minus the packs being impossible to open sometimes. I just get these out of the way. Change my. There we go. All right. Spin these around. And my first little mini stack. It's warming in the pen. Tristan McKenzie. Yu Chang rookie card. Sheldon Noisy rookie card. Brandon Woodruff. Vlad Guerrero Jr., and that is a Lumber Incorporated insert. Nice looking card. Joey Gallo. Andreas Munoz rookie card. Austin Meadows. And looks like I got a insert. Nelson Cruz Prizm insert. Looks like green. Yeah, it's number 2. 79 of 125. Nice. Sharp looking card. Take it. And a Dylan Cease rookie card. So, next little mini stack. That's my auto right there, so. I didn't see it, but I could tell it was. It was backwards. Willie Adames, Bryce Harper, Ronald Acuna Jr., very sharp looking card. The Machines insert. Rico Garcia rookie card. Kirby Yates, Dallas Keuchel, Alek Manoah, top of the class. I think he went 19th overall in 2018 draft by the Blue Jays. Lewis Thorpe rookie card. Jacob deGrom, Ken Giles, Steven Strasburg, Eduardo Rodriguez, Daniel Espino, top of the class, Mike Jastrzemski, Spencer Turnbull, Lorenzo Cain. Ooh, that's a nice one. C.J. Abrams, top of the class, Prizm. Very sharp looking card. I don't think he's numbered. Nope, not numbered. Still very nice looking. Top prospect in all of baseball. And behind that, we have the Gavin Lux rookie card. Sweet. That's just a base. Take it, though. Brian Abreu. Juan Soto. Nice. It's been a nice pack so far. Nice box. Nolan Jones, now on deck. And Nelson Cruz, base insert. So let's see what we got. Okay, do it from the back. Lucas Giolito. Bryce Harper insert. Warming the pen, Logan Gilbert. Brad Keller. Kyle Seager. Travis Demerit, rookie card. And now let's see what this is going to be. You know what? We got Luis Castillo on the front. And nope, upside down. It is a Prizm auto. Oh, dropping cards. And who's it going to be? Hopefully it's a decent name. Rico Garcia, Prizm rookie card. San Francisco Giants. I like the Giants. They usually pick their players pretty smartly. They draft pretty well more often than not. So it's another pitcher. I think I've pulled almost all pitchers out of this product. At least autos anyway. Doesn't give a whole heck of a lot. So, I mean, I'll do a little research on him. See where he's at and what he's doing. But, yeah, not bad. Sharp-looking card. But this is, I think, where the money is in this particular product. Though, the bonus pack. Going to get some, 12 cards? 12 additional cards? Yeah, 12 additional cards. And they're all going to be Prizm inserts and refractors. If I can open it. Oh, requires a little surgery. Ah, look out. Time to operate. Alright, let's see if that little incision did it. Yep, here we go. Wonderful. Right at the bat, we have Jonathan Daza, Teal Wave rookie card. Sweet. That's for the Rockies. Logan Allen, rookie card from Cleveland. Another Teal Wave. I love these. These are so sharp looking. Wow. Kyle Schwarber. Garrett Cole. Sweet looking card. These Teal Waves are just really off the wall and gorgeous. Trent Grisham rookie card for San Diego. Nice. That's a Carolina Blue. Brendan Lau from Tampa Bay. Second year card. Lewis Thorpe from Minnesota. Rookie card. Freddie Freeman, Cody Bellinger. That's sharp looking. If it was like a purplish, that would have been really, really awesome, but pink is pretty cool too. Gio Urshela from my Yankees. Starlin Castro, who's having an awesome year so far. I think he's hitting like 370. And Christian Yelich, instant impact, who's having the exact opposite of Starlin Castro. I think he's hitting less than 100. He signed that big contract when he did, huh? Good thing. And none of these are numbered, but still, this is, I think, where the money is in this product. You're guaranteed one of these packs. It's gonna give you this pure awesomeness. At least to me, it's pure awesomeness. So yeah, that will do it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.